ready to command your Minecraft world with the power of your voice. Today, we're unlocking the secret to effortless communication on your Aternos server. Simple voice chat. First things first, head over to your Aternos server control panel. Make sure your server is stopped. This is crucial before we start installing any mods. Next, click on software. This area lets you install different server software types, like Spigot or Paper. We're focused on getting a mod, so we'll click on Paper, Spigot, or whichever software you want to use that works with mods and proceed to the next step. With your server software selected, it's time to add the simple voice chat mod. Plugin, click on the plugins option, and then use the search bar to find simple voice chat. Clicking on the matching result will show details regarding the plugin. Select install or download. Once simple voice chat is installed, restart your server. This action ensures the mod integrates properly and is ready for use. Watch for the server message confirming a successful restart. Now, the fun begins. Launch Minecraft and join your Aternos server in order to hear or speak. Make sure to download the simple voice chat mod on your client. For this to work, you'll instantly notice proximity indicators. Test it out with your friends. Start chatting and see how this tool can elevate your Minecraft gameplay, making communication a breeze.